In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric desktop planers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric desktop planers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric desktop planers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Cordless Electric Hand Planer for Makita 18V Battery. This cordless electric hand planer is perfect for home DIY and furniture cutting projects. Designed to fit Makita 18V batteries, battery not included, it provides flexibility and mobility in woodworking tasks. Its compact, handheld design makes it easy to maneuver on wood surfaces, delivering smooth and precise cuts. Whether you're shaping, trimming, or finishing, this power planer helps streamline any woodworking project at home. Number 4, Brushless Motor Electric Router Trimmer for Makita 12V Battery, ideal for woodworking. This cordless electric planer features a brushless motor for efficient and durable performance. It's compatible with 12V Makita batteries, making it an accessible addition for Makita tool users. The lightweight, ergonomic design of this router trimmer offers comfort during extended use, allowing woodworkers to cut, shape, and trim with ease. A versatile tool for precise DIY woodwork at home. Number 3, 15,000 RPM Cordless Power Planer for Makita Battery, delivering up to 15,000 RPM. This cordless electric planer is a powerful tool for DIY enthusiasts and furniture makers. It's compatible with Makita batteries and features a compact, handheld design that ensures smooth and consistent cuts on wood. This brushless planer is well suited for both precision work and quick surface finishing, providing durability and reliability in every use. Number 2, 30,000 RPM Cordless Electric Hand Planer for Makita 18V Battery. With a high-speed brushless motor reaching 30,000 RPM, this cordless planer offers exceptional cutting performance. Designed for use with Makita 18V batteries, it's ideal for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts who seek efficiency and ease. The rechargeable design allows for continuous work without the hassle of cords, making it a perfect fit for detailed wood crafting projects. Number 1, 2000W Multifunctional Woodworking Planer and Router Trimmer. This 2000W electric planer doubles as a router trimmer, making it an excellent multi-purpose tool for woodworking projects. Its inverted table design offers stability and control, allowing users to perform detailed and decorative cuts. Designed for DIY and home improvement enthusiasts, it's powerful enough for both large projects and intricate decorative work, making it a versatile choice for woodworking.